Let's begin.
What is the main element in natural diamond? Which element is most abundant in Earth's crust by mass? Which heavy noble gas has been observed to form compounds like xenon hexafluoroplatinate under extreme conditions? Which element has the chemical symbol Ag? Which compound is the common bleaching agent in household bleach? Sodium hypochlorite. Which element's hydrides include both covalent, e.g., pH3, and polymeric forms, e.g., polyphosphine? Which gas is produced by yeast during bread making and fermentation? Which element is essential for nitrogen fixation in many enzymes and proteins, not atmospheric nitrogen? Which synthetic element with atomic number 118 completes the current periodic table's 7th row? What compound is vinegar primarily composed of? Which compound is the primary component of limestone and marble? Which compound, an organosilicon polymer, is known for thermal stability and is used as a lubricant and in implants, silicone? Which gas do plants primarily use for photosynthesis? Which element is crucial in alloying with steel to produce stainless steel's corrosion resistance? Which element's coordination complexes are central to biological oxygen transport in hemocyanin instead of iron?